Hello, in this video, let us show you how to add users in your Google My Business profile. Google My Business is free, and it will help Google list your business in your area or using the keywords of your choice. It's very simple and effective, and it works like a yellow pages for Google. In our website, we have a free Google setup checklist, but for now, let me show you how to add another user, so they can help you set up and manage your account. You can go to Google and type Google My Business and make sure you log in with your email that is linked to your business account. Or you can type in your browser mybusiness.google.com if you need the direct link. Click the Sign In button on the upper right hand corner and enter your Gmail address and password. After you log in, you will see the business or businesses linked to your account. For this video, I am clicking the iKnowledge profile. You are now in the Google Business Profile Manager. Scroll all the way down until you see Users on the left panel. Click the Add Users button on the upper right-hand corner of this window. Please remember that managers are not able to add users. Only the owners and primary owners will have this feature enabled. If you're adding a third person or staff to help with your account, make sure they are managers only. Type their email, select manager, then click invite, and done. The user will get an email, and let me show you how the email looks on their end. They will have to click on it and press accept. Never share your user ID and password to anyone working on your Google My Business account. This is very important because your profile could be compromised and hijacked if it's not handled properly. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let us know in the comments below and see you in the next video. Thank you.